Now it's time to meet Kasey. While she'd visited Athens over the years, it wasn't until she discovered OU's emphasis on hands-on, experiential learning that she realized this was the perfect place to prepare for a career in business. Tell us more, Kasey.
Thanks, Alex. My parents are Ohio University alumni, so I've been visiting this college ever since I was a little kid. When it came time for my college search, I thought about not attending Ohio University because I wanted to be different than my parents. But when I stepped onto campus during my freshman year, my perspective about this university completely changed. My favorite part about Ohio University is the size and ability to get involved on campus. The classroom size is fairly small, so it's really easy for you to get to know your professors and classmates. My teachers also get to know me outside of the classroom through organizations like the Select Leadership Development Program. We participate in leadership curriculum, executive engagements, and travel for networking trips. I recently traveled with the organization to San Diego to meet with Ohio University alumni and additional corporate executives. Now they are part of my professional network, and I was able to learn about their leadership styles. I've been able to meet with dozens of companies and learn more about my career field during my time in Select. I also am a part of the Fixed Income Management Group. We trade over $3 million of the school's funds in fixed income securities. I'm getting real-world experience in investments and how to operate Bloomberg terminals. Both of these groups have helped me build on my professional and technical skills through curriculum and networking events. Plus, these experiences have helped me get interviews for internships. Without these organizations or the support from my professors, I never would have gotten the opportunity to have 2 different internships or an offer for a full-time job after graduation. Bobcats Help Bobcats isn't just something that we say. The faculty at Ohio University understand your goals and will support you until you achieve them. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, congratulations on your job offer, even before you graduated too. It's wonderful that you found a place that helped you turn your passion into marketable, real-world skills. It sounds like Ohio helped you launch what's sure to become an exciting career. Thanks again, Kasey.